Fact: 90% of Forex traders are never able to turn a profit trading on Forex. 98% of rookie traders lose up to $30,000 in Forex within the first 3 months alone. There are only 3% of Forex traders in the world that either made a good-sized profit only to lose nearly all of it because he or she became too emotional, or figured out a comfortable system where they can actually make reasonable amounts of pips per week and live off their profits. Almost all the Forex ebooks, robots, and other products out there telling you the same fairy tale story of moving 1,000 plus pips per week or 5,000% return on your investment are only feeding your desire to make money by promising you crap. Yes, I know my language is harsh, but I wanted to make my point clearly. Hi, my name is Gulzar, and the reason that I stated those 4 facts is because about 5 years ago, I fell into the category with 3 of those 4 facts that I just gave you. I lost $50,000 very quickly, like at lightning speed. I ended up spending close to $10,000 trying to find the magic button that would make all my trades for me and quadruple my investment. And all I ended up doing really is spending an additional year digging for answers. Better yet, for a solid education on how to trade Forex. So that led me to create my own training course, the Forex Mastermind Blueprint. Now this course was designed to address those 4 facts that are plaguing mid-level and especially rookie Forex traders. Now before I go any further, I know you must be asking yourself these questions. First, who is this guy that's talking to me? And second, why am I listening to this guy that's talking to me? Both are good questions. Let me start by answering the first one. Who am I? Like I said before, my name is indeed Gulzar, and I'm a 5-year veteran of the foreign exchange industry. I'm not a 15-year veteran, or a 25-year veteran, or a 75-year veteran. Just 5 years. But trust me, when I say that in the last 5 years I have acquired an abundance of knowledge on Forex, I probably know more than the guy that says I've been trading Forex for 50 years. And in that time, I have made incredible leaps and bounds in my trading career that have allowed me to become a full-time trader. Now, why should you listen to me? Simple. In the 5 years that I've been trading, I have learned almost every critical technique that allowed me to become a full-time trader, and also have days where I move 200 and even 300 plus pips in a single trade. And just to show you that I'm not all talk, here's some quick proof. You can scroll down and check out some of the images that I've posted of some of my trades. Right now in my Forex trading career, I'm actually doing very well for myself. But just like I spoke about earlier, it wasn't always like that. If you know anything about the Forex industry, then you know that whenever you have big gains, you also have big losses. And that's what I experienced, the big losses. In my first year of trading Forex, I lost $50,000. Actually, I lost that within 4 months of 2006. It was a horrible year for me. See, I was practicing trading Forex in 2005, and I saw a huge potential to make some big money. So I decided to buy a couple of products that were going to show me how I can take $100 and turn it into $10,000 overnight. I think the word for that type of action would have been naive. I really thought I knew enough to start making a killing on Forex. But after looking into a checking account and seeing minus $50,000, it was painfully obvious that I really didn't know anything about trading Forex. Even after nearly $10,000 in products that I invested in, I still wasn't able to move more than 20 pips a week. I got frustrated quickly and decided to really start digging deeper. So for the next year, I decided to really become my own private investigator and uncover all the hardcore methods and strategies that would get me out of this debt and into my dream lifestyle. I jumped onto every Forex forum. I harassed some really big-time traders. Some of you might be watching this video right now. If you are, I'm sorry about that, but thank you very much. I emailed them and even tried to get their phone number so I could interview them. Didn't get anywhere for the first few weeks, but then, as luck would have it, I got a couple of them on the phone. Some of them emailed me too. By this point, I just wanted to pick their brain to get any nugget of information they had that would help me. And after 1 year of digging for gold, what I actually had was enough information to create a solid strategy that would allow me to move 200 to 300 pips per week. Now, a quick disclaimer. I'm actually going to foreshadow the next couple of seconds. I'm going to be speaking about what my course, the Forex Mastermind Blueprint, is not. One of the things that this is not is a no-loss system. You can call this a moment of honesty. Even though I move 200 to 300 pips per week on a consistent basis, sometimes even better than that, I also take losses and I have bad weeks. It happens. It's part of business, any business for that matter. You will not have a system that every trade you make, you'll make money. It doesn't happen. But the objective is to have a lot more successful trades than unsuccessful trades. Okay, back to what I was saying. After finding a true formula trading on Forex, I realized that I blew $50,000 because the mistakes that I was making were actually technical mistakes. See, if I had implicated A instead of B, I would be in the green instead of the red. Another thing I realized was that a lot of Forex traders were making the exact same mistakes that I was making a year and a half earlier. Fast forward 3 years later, and I still see the same mistakes being made. And 90% of them are either bad timing or just not knowing what they're doing. At any rate, there are traders out there that are losing homes and exotic cars worth of trades because of fundamental mistakes, most of which could be corrected in a matter of minutes and turn a bad trade into a profitable one. So henceforth, the Forex Mastermind Blueprint. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time explaining what this course covers. You can read about that on the rest of this website below this video. But I will tell you who this course is for and what this course is not. First, who is this course for? The rookie traders that want to break into the Forex industry the right way. Instead of guessing your way through this or buying into the whole every trade you make you win lie, invest into a course that'll show you, top to bottom, what you need to know to be successful in the shortest amount of time. There are at least 100,000 new traders out there every single day that want to trade and make some good money. The problem is that 100,000 new traders really don't know how to trade. Don't be one of them. Second, the semi-experienced or the mid-level traders. Now these are the guys and gals that have made it past the initial 3 months and haven't lost their home yet. They went through demo trading and now they are on to investing real money. The problem is they're still not making enough solid trades to live off on. Now if this is you, you really want to get this product now because most likely you're making small mistakes that are costing you a lot. I covered those mistakes in the course. Once you know these simple corrections, you can implicate them right now and start moving some impressive pips. And then we have the experienced traders, the ones that you can't really teach anymore to. If this is you, I know what you're thinking. I know everything about Forex. Why should I buy your course? Simple. Knowledge is paramount. Education is key. Now let's think about this for a second. Stephen Hawking is considered to be the smartest man in the world. But I'm pretty sure that he doesn't know everything about everything. You get my drift? He's just like you, always wanting to keep expanding his mind. Okay, so what is this course not? First and foremost, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Nowhere close to it. There is no magic button that you push to instantly move a lot of pips. It won't happen. What will happen is once you learn the blueprint for success, you will constantly make smart trades, and that's how you will make your big money. Second, it's not a no-loss system. Now, if you don't know what this is, basically it is supposed to be a system that you use and you will never make a bad trade. This is the equivalent of putting your money into stocks and knowing for sure that you will double up. The one thing that I've been wanting to say for years now is this. If someone out there had a no-loss system, why is it so accessible to the general public? Why not sell this at $100,000 a system or even $1 million? Come on, it's a no-loss system. That means that you could put in any amount of money and it'll throw 10 times more back, right? Wrong. People who bought into that, you should have been millionaires by now. Third, this is not an ebook. Now, this is not a knock against ebooks. I personally love them, but the content that I wanted to provide was so exclusive and in-depth that an ebook wouldn't cut it. And fourth, it's not a robot. I'm going to keep this very short. Some robots work, most don't. At any rate, it's not a robot. So what is it? Well, this is a complete course that'll give you everything you need to be an expert trader in the shortest amount of time possible. But I'm not going to give you all the details now, so here's what I really need you to do. I need you to read the rest of the page below this video, then click on one of the links that will give you instant access to the members area. From there, you can start digging through all of the material. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you'll make the right decision and invest into the Forex Mastermind Blueprint. I guarantee that once you do, you will come away with a concrete strategy that will lead into your financial freedom. Once again, I'm Gulzar, and I'll see you on the other side.